Hi guys, Andrew here, Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada, here to talk to you about our Terra Clean service that we provide here. Now, Terra Clean is more of your thorough fuel system cleaning service. On our machine here, we got a pair of cans, a pair of 11-ounce cans, the red can and the black can. Those are your pre and post combustion chamber cleaners. The red can cleans your fuel rails and the internals of your fuel injectors. Now, this whole system gets set up in line with your main fuel feed coming into your engine. So it's just as it's taking the place of the gasoline. So it'll go through your fuel rail, clean out your injectors as they're firing. Now the other can, the black can, that's intended for your post combustion chamber. That is more cleaning your oxygen sensors, your catalytic converters. So if you have, say, a 420 code, a 430 code, catalyst efficiency code, not a lot of kilometers on your car, and as long as it hasn't had any major misfire issues where it could destroy the internals of the cat, this is a much cheaper option to start first. It's a nominal cost compared to what parts replacements can get into, and it works very well, and it'll get you a few more miles out of your car before you have to replace parts. Urban Automotive, safety first.